Be careful of the sad syndrome, because right now you may have it. The sad syndrome is a real thing humans get from the weather. Every time the weather is gray, rainy, snowy, or cold, people clinically feel sad. People feel depressed.
It's cold.
That is the sad syndrome. Seasonal affective disorder. And I get sad all the time from the changing of the seasons. That's why 5 years ago I made a decision to only wear t-shirts and to only make videos in places with warm weather. For example, in the month of December, I spent it in Abu Dhabi, the Emirates, where the weather is exactly the right amount for my t-shirt. At 24 latitude and 54 longitude, for 6 months every year, the sun and the earth are aligned to create the perfect temperature in this part of planet Earth. 26 Celsius degrees on average, 1 degree above room temperature. So instead of freezing in New York with minus 10 degrees, in this part of planet Earth, the weather is actually good in the winter. The only rain you will see is this. Okay, I did lie. It does get really cold in here, but only before sunrise. Because for the rest of the day, the sun is out and the weather is warm again. Scientifically speaking, what makes people happy is not just friends and not just family. It's also rays of the sun that are full of vitamin D. But honestly, temperature doesn't matter. It's the dryness that matters. Abu Dhabi desert weather is dry, which means water evaporates really fast. And so does your sweat. So you can spend the whole time in the middle of the desert at noon without any fear of sweating or smelling.
I love the weather. It's perfect. It's perfect.
We all say happiness comes from the inside, and that's true. But happiness also comes from the outside, and the weather affects our happiness and sadness more than we think. Good weather can make you happy, bad weather can make you sad. And if that's the case, find yourself a weather that makes you happy.